Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, passing values to function with arguments. Parameters are variables that act as placeholders for the value that are to be input to a function when it is called. When a function is defined, it is typically defined along with one or more parameters. The actual value that are input or passed into function when it is called are known as arguments. Here is a function with two parameters, param1 and param2. So the function test1 will contain in parenthesis param1 and param2. So on console log it should show the value that it is receiving. Then we can call test1 in the parenthesis we can see hello a string and world a string. We have passed two arguments hello and world inside the function. Param1 will equal hello and param2 will equal world. Note that you could call test1 again with different arguments and the parameters would take on value of the new arguments. So let's see the task for this challenge. Create a function called function with args that accepts two arguments and output their sum to dev console. So let's create a function with say function with args and it parenthesis and then curly braces, and in the console we will log means there should be two arguments also. So let's param1 comma param2. Name could be anything, just I have just mentioned it as it's a parameter required for the function to work. And when param1 plus param2, okay, create a function with args that accepts two arguments and output their sum to the dev console. Call the function with two numbers as argument. So let's call it function with args, and for the number let's give some random number 48 comma 883, and the sum is displayed in the below line. So let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.